Jaden, go side.
Riot, do you want to get neutered?
Damn, bro. I ain't gonna lie, they might take your ass back to the pound because them Chew Toys in the back, I stole them. My bad.
Go down east tonight and tomorrow, mainly solid zero. Don't put
Are you tired?
Yes, a fairly mild winter, but we are certainly seeing a return to those winter conditions. Particularly the forecast air, low temperatures, not even factoring in the wind at -9 in Watertown, -7 in Syracuse, 10 in Barrington, 10 degrees at below zero.
Is he gonna go for a walk?
Hey, you want a bite?
There is nobody. Nobody's out here. You see this? Nobody's there. You're barking at nobody.
Spank that butt. Let me spank that butt. Let me spank that butt. Let me.
Shut up! I'm so fucking scared right now. You shut up!
Paul, please. Thank you. Can I get a whisper? Oh, that's not a whisper. Can I get a whisper? Good job.
Hmm.